stop messing with BryanSt.John before I send a team of ninjas to steal all your rice. Don't make me show you ancient Chinese secret. Stop playing now, but remember, we'll be watching you.
Remember the old bridge on Rip Rap Road? We used to go across that bridge right there, and we'd have that that whole stretch of about 1.5 miles to race on. And then they finally shut it down. It's shut now, but here's a clip from 1990. Let me stop it right here. They completely moved the Rip Rap Road over a little bit, because right here is the beginning of that bridge. Footbridge. Now I can remember coming across this bridge in my mom's 69 LeSabre and her 73 Caprice, because we used to race, and people would meet at this bridge right here, and then we'd come around to the corner. That's the end. That's the other side. The back side of it would be coming across right here. This is the back side of the bridge. I remember there used to be concrete when you came off the end of that bridge. There used to be some concrete like road stopper things right here, because once you get down to here, this whole strip right here is nothing but people would line up along through here, and whatever car you had, you would start right here. It's a good starting point because you had room to turn around right here. You can turn around and head back that way. That strip is about 1.5 miles. You're coming up on the end of the bridge here. It hadn't been in operation for the longest. Let's see if those two things are still there. No, they're not there. But right here is where I'm at. This is just an extension of Rip Rap Road. That's what it is right now. And it's not traveled at all now. But you can see how much fun it would be to just get back here and race. This was Dayton's race spot back in the day. At the end, there's a pretty tight curve and then another bridge. You get to the end right here. There used to be a hell of a guardrail right that went right around through here, and it was all banged up because cars would hit it. And then there used to be another bridge right here, a smaller bridge. This is actually a car-driven bridge. Well, let's see. This is Cargill. Definitely a one-lane bridge. And that is the old Delco where the casino is now. That's Delco Park. Right here at Wagner Ford and Needmore, there was a pretty bad accident where a stolen car came through there being chased by a Huber Heights police officer, and there was a bad accident right at this intersection. And this is...
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe and follow. Much love from Little Yas to each of you. Content creator making videos on the World Wide Web. Hope I made you laugh and think. Get out of your head to be live or to enter the chat. That is the question. Thank you to every followers in each nation. Read every comment from the good to the bad. Y'all trolls can catch me outside. How about that? The website da 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 da. Yeah. Come da 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 da.